Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable WooCommerce coupons automatically step by step clearly. To disable WooCommerce coupons automatically, start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. In the left sidebar, navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New to search for a plugin. In the search bar, type WooCommerce Extended Coupon Features. Once it appears in the search results, click on Install Now. After installation, next, go to the WooCommerce menu in the sidebar. Select the Coupons option to access the coupon settings. In the Coupon settings, look for the Auto Disable tab added by the plugin. Click on this tab to configure the automatic disabling of coupons. You will see options to set conditions for when a coupon should be disabled. Choose the conditions based on your requirements. For example, you can select to disable a coupon when it reaches a certain usage limit. Alternatively, you can set expiration dates that will automatically deactivate old coupons. After configuring the desired settings, click on the Save Changes button. Now, your coupons will be automatically disabled based on the conditions you set. To test the functionality, create a test order using a coupon that meets the disable criteria. Check the backend and frontend to ensure the coupon is no longer valid. If everything works as expected, you have successfully set up automatic coupon disabling in WooCommerce. You can revisit the settings anytime to adjust the criteria as needed. This simple process helps maintain control over your store's promotions effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.